VRS will increase driver performance, reduce risks, and save money. The iDrive provides real-time tracking and telemetry, dual high-definition video, remote cloud-based video, and AI driver assistance. Integrated solutions encompass continuous monitoring and tracking, management of vehicles, drivers, and other assets. The artificial intelligence system assesses the driving environment to detect distracted and drowsy drivers, safe distancing, and accident detection. Data is uploaded via secured cellular connection to the Iris cloud-based platform. Within Iris, authorized users can access data such as video, tracking, triggered events, driver behavior, reports, and more. To learn more, contact VRS Fleet Products or visit vrsfleetproducts.com.